In this video, I'll be walking you through how to use the Crew Builder function in BART. The Crew Builder lets you assign team members to any appliance that you've registered within the BART system. You can use the Crew Builder via the dashboard or the BART Team App. Open up the dashboard and find the attendance list. Click on the Crew Builder tab and you'll see a list of your registered appliances. Use the tick boxes to select one or more members. Then click on one of your appliances and you will see your selected members move underneath. You can then click on a member to assign them as either a crew leader, a driver, or both. And that's it. You've built your crew. Now let's jump onto the BART Team App. Start by selecting a broadcast and tapping on it to show a list of attendees. Then tap on the kebab icon in the top right. Find the Activate Crew Builder button and tap it. Then tap on the members that you would like to assign. When you're ready, tap on an appliance and you'll see that your members have moved underneath. Tap on a member to assign them as a crew leader, driver, or both. You can also remove a member by tapping on the tick next to their name. Thanks for watching. For more information on getting the most out of BART, check out our other videos.